that I am talking about is not just the Cortalim stretch. It is the entire stretch which also crosses the villages of Agasai, because people from Margaon will not come only to Cortalim. They may be wanting to go to Panchin, they have to cross Agasai also. Villages of Agasai also are suffering. And there I have noticed that it is a grey cloud of dust that comes up, because the roads, I think, are concretized, and maybe it is cement or what, I don't know, and that is what we are breathing in, and that could lead to all kinds of pulmonary problems in the future. So therefore, urgently, all this has to be clear. Happening. Dilip Bilkon claims that they have done terracing, but if you look at the hills, there is no terracing left anymore, and there are certain areas where the boulders from within, the mud has washed away from the boulders, and you see just the boulders there. Now, any time if there is a sudden heavy shower, the boulders could come rolling down.
आम्ही त्यांना डायरेक्शन दिला स्प्रिंकलिंग करपाक वॉटर ऑन द रोड, डस्ट पोल्युशन कमी जावपा खातीर. गोवा स्टेट पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्डाचे ऑफिसर्स हांगा आसले, तेणी तांकां स्पेसिफीक मेजर्स जे करपाचे आसा ते तांकां सांगलेले आसा, आनी तेमी एश्युरन्स दिल्ले आसा 8 ते 10 दीस भितर हे सगळें काम जातलें म्हणून.
अपार्ट फ्रॉम दॅट कितें पोर्ट होल्स आनी कसलें कितें
पोर्ट होल्स ते सांगलां तांकां रेगुलरली दे हॅव टू मेंटेन दॅट रोड.